Welcome children. So we are back with a new topic and that is articles. Lesson number 10 of your English grammar book. Okay children. So hope that you people have been practicing all the previous topics. Definitely you people will get the worksheets and required question answers or some other things to practice. So let's get started with a conversation between Saroj and Jatin. Read the conversation between Saroj and Jatin and fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Saroj says, "Hello Jatin, where are you going?" Jatin says, "I am going to dash neighborhood stationery shop to buy dash few things." Saroj says, "Are you going to buy something to eat?" Jatin says, "No, I will buy 3 notebooks, dash scale, eraser and some color pencils." Saroj says, "Will you also buy dash pen you told me about?" Jatin says, "Yes, I will. Thanks for reminding me, Saroj." Okay, so here you can see the blanks. So what to be filled here? A, an or the. Children, there are certain rules, but we people have been doing it since standard 1. Yeah, so that's very simple. Let's finish it up. Jatin, I am going to dash neighborhood stationery shop. Going to the or a? Yes? You try it at your home. It is from your book only. The or a. Yes? Stationery shop. Where is that stationery shop? That is known. That is in the neighborhood. So we can write the. To buy a few things. Because things are more than one or in a positive way, then we can use a. Saroj, are you going to buy something to eat? Okay, Jatin says, "No, I will buy 3 notebooks, a scale, an eraser and some color pencils. Will you also buy dash pen you told me about?" Now which pen? See, Saroj is asking Jatin that are you going to buy which pen which she also knows, and Jatin also knows that pen. So the pen, which is familiar to both the speaker and to whom he is speaking. So the pen. Okay. So let's move towards the next slide. What's there? Okay, let's look at the meaning, or you can say the definition of the articles. The words a, an and the are called articles. These are used to indicate which persons or things we are referring to in a sentence. Are you getting, children? So which books, which things, which persons are these particular, are these not specific, are these many, are these singular, are these plural? Yes, so it tells, means these words are telling us about persons or things we are referring to. Okay, so let's see the difference between definite articles and indefinite articles. Here I have given you definite articles versus indefinite. Let's see clearly. So left side you are given with the definite and right side you are given with indefinite. Definite articles only the, and indefinite a or an. Okay. Definite articles are used to indicate something specific. Something specific means which is known to the other person as well, to whom we are telling or to whom we are speaking. Okay. Indefinite articles are used to indicate something non-specific, that is the opposite of specific. Can be used after introducing the noun or noun phrase. Suppose if we have already introduced, like it's a pen, and I have bought this pen from a shop. The shop is nearby my house. Now a shop, first time introduction. Now I am talking about the same shop. Yes, so here I can make use of the. Okay, what about non-specific or indefinite? Can be used to introduce a noun or a noun phrase. So for first time introduction, we are using a or an, and when the introduction is already done, yes, afterwards we can make the use of the. Children, I am just reading simultaneously, one time definite and another side indefinite. Third part, can be used with singular and plural nouns. The pencils, the pen. So singular and plural, we can make the use of the with both. Okay, singular and plural. Yes, I am talking about countable nouns, not uncountable nouns. Can be used only with singular nouns. A or an can be used with only singular nouns, whereas the can be used with both singular and plural. Okay, children? Used to discuss something that is already known by the reader or listener. Listener means to whom we are speaking. Suppose if I say the pen on the table is mine. The pen on the table. Now I am talking about the specific pen, and you also know which pen or the pen which is gifted by my parents. The pen gifted by my parents. Now which pen I am talking about? The listener also knows that the pen which is gifted by my parents, the pen, okay, which is known to the listener or to the reader. Okay, this side cannot be used to discuss something that is already known by the reader. So opposite of which is known, and here we are discussing about which is not known to the reader or the listener. Okay, let's see what's there next. So children, in the next slide you would see uses of the. The is definite article. Let's have some uses. Where can be the used? First, superlatives. Now what are the superlatives? We have already learned this topic in adjectives. Yes, positive, degrees of comparison, positive, comparative and superlative, which ends with est. Yes. Okay, Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Now highest is the degree of comparison, that is a superlative degree, and you can see the use of the is made before superlative, before highest. Yes children. So next you have inhabitants of a country. Inhabitants of a country means those who are living in that country. Yes, the British live in England. So people living in England are known as Britishers. So here before British, these are the inhabitants. Yeah. So before British we are writing the. Holy books, what are the holy books? Holy books are the scriptures. Yes. For all the religions there are certain books like the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran. Got it? Before their names we are using the. Nature, the earth, the sun, the sky, the stars. So these are the particular type of things. This is the nature. So unique things we are using the. Okay, before the rivers names, the Ganges, the Krishna, the Thames. Okay, so these are the names of the rivers, and we have used the seas and oceans. The Arabian Sea, the Pacific Ocean. Children, when the name comes, name starts with the vowel sound. Yes, then the pronunciation of THE will be the, and when it starts with the consonant sound, then we can make the use of, we can pronounce it the. Okay. Then we have mountain chains, series of mountains, yes, chains. Okay, the Himalayas, the Andes, the Nilgiris, then monuments. Okay, some religious buildings or big buildings, monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Eiffel Tower. Important positions, the president, the prime minister. Musical instruments, the violin, okay, musical instruments, okay, the violin, the guitar, the flute. Names of directions, the east. Now east starts with vowel sound, so we can pronounce the east, the north, the south, the west. Countries with plural names, the Philippines, the West Indies. So countries with plural names means which are ending with S. So along with these names we can use the. So you will have to consider it, you will have to make a note of it. Words such as last and next, the last phase, the next candidate, or the first, the second, these are ordinal numbers given at last. The first edition, the second row. Okay. So with ordinal numbers as well as with last and next, these words are carrying the before them. Okay children, I hope that you have understood the uses of the. Okay. Let's see what's next. Okay, so now we have come up with a and an in definite articles. So here is the difference between a and an. A and an have the same meaning, means they are used with singular and they are used before non-specific thing. Yes, a and an are indefinite articles. The difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. Their use is same, but their the difference is only it depends upon the beginning of the first sound of the word. When the next word starts with a consonant sound a, then we are using a, like a book, a car. You can see the consonant sounds. What are the vowel sounds? A, E, I, O, U are making vowel sounds. Okay, a, like, okay, a, E. So when the next word starts with a vowel sound, then we are making the use of an apple, an egg, an insect, an orange, an umbrella, an actor. Be careful. Now one warning is also given. The sound of the letter is important, not the letter but the sound is important. Yes, so you must be knowing all the sounds. A house, an uncle, but, an hour, and a university. Why an hour? Because here H is silent and the sound begins with a. Why a university? Because you, when you says a, that time it's a vowel sound, but when you says you only, its own sound, that time it's a consonant sound and we'll have to use a. The H at the beginning of R is silent. The university at the beginning of university sounds like U. Okay, it makes its own sound. It is not making a sound. That's why a is taken. This rule applies to all words after a or an, including adjectives and adverbs. So how is it? A cold day. So some many a times we are using the adjectives before the nouns. Yeah. So those words are also carrying a or an, and the rule will be same. Now we'll have to check out thing is one. Yes, definitely it is used with singular things. Day is one, but cold, cold, you can see there, cold. So consonant sound, we'll have to consider the sounds of first sounds of adverbs or adjectives with which they are going to be used. A very crazy person. Now we, yes, an easy lesson. Easy starts with E, means vowel sound. So an interesting class. An I starts with this is having vowel sound. Interesting. Okay, so class is one. That's why an are used, with the singular things, and we have made the rule clear along with the adverbs and adjectives as well. Let's see next. Okay, one more part is covered here. Omission of articles. Omission means when there is no need to take any of the articles. Yes, means not an and not the. No article is used with names of persons. Names of person means this is the first rule, first omission rule. Like if I say Geeta, we cannot say a Geeta, we cannot say the Geeta. Okay, so we have to omit, means we have to skip, they are not used. Second rule is covering some sub parts. No article is used with names of, what are the names? Planets. Yes, except the earth. With all other planets we are not making the use of the or any other article, but with earth we are making the use of the, and that we have learned in the nature. Okay, uses of the. Along with the metals, no need to use any article like gold, silver, copper, etc. See, languages. With the languages, we are not using any article. German, Hindi, English, French, Sanskrit. We are not using the Sanskrit. Okay, the English. No. Next, days of the week. We are not using a Monday, a Tuesday, the Monday, the Tuesday. No. Simply Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay. E, months of the year, January, February. Likewise, like we didn't make use for the weeks, so we don't have to make use for the years as well. Name of the year, months of the years. Okay, uncountable nouns, milk, sugar, water. We are not saying a milk, the milk. No, we don't have to make use of articles for such things. Okay, you can make a note, children. Okay, so here I would like to finish up this video. So hope that you would come up with more practice, more understanding, and solving some of the exercises which are given behind the lesson. And if you would be having any query regarding this topic, you are free to ask your teacher. Okay children, bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy.